Antarctica. It's one of the last natural frontiers. But even Antarctica's remote landscape is under threat from increasing external pressures of human activity and climate change.
Antarctica is changing, and it's changing quickly. And if the policymakers, this international collective that we call the Antarctic Treaty System, is to keep up with that pace of change, then it needs to have available to it high quality, readily available information that's in a policy-ready format.
So, Landcare Research are collaborating with Antarctica New Zealand to provide this information to the international community. And they're doing it through the creation of a new web-based environmental portal.
The portal is a place where we which can facilitate that link between science and policymakers. So at the moment, scientists do a lot of research down there, and there's lots of papers in technical in science journals that is a step away from the policymakers. And so this portal is a place where that information can be placed in a synthesised, summarised form that's readily accessible to policymakers so that they can make good decisions around the protection of the Antarctic continent.
As well as becoming the go-to place for information on Antarctic environments, it's hoped the portal will strengthen New Zealand's position as positive contributors to an effective Antarctic treaty system.
Bringing together of Landcare's research expertise and technical development expertise with Antarctica New Zealand's policy expertise is really exciting. We're really excited that the portal will be a really new way for policymakers to have better access to the science.
This development builds on previous collaboration and promises to further enhance the accessibility of science knowledge.
We've had a lot of success with the work that Landcare have done on environmental domains, and that's enabled New Zealand to have a significant leverage internationally in terms of influence within the treaty system, and we're hoping to get another considerable success with our joint investment in the Antarctic Environment Portal.
From Landcare Research's point of view, this is a great opportunity to extend the work that we've been doing to make the results of science more accessible, especially to policymakers.
So this innovation of translating Antarctic science knowledge into science action is treading new ground.
It really is a first, and it's a first for New Zealand, and it's a first for us in the Antarctic Treaty System. So we're hoping within 4 years, the Antarctic Treaty System thinks this is so good, it'll be operated by the 28 countries.